Hello dears, our study strength of material and today's topic is Young's modulus. What is Young's modulus? So from Hooke's law we know that sigma equals to E epsilon, where sigma is stress and epsilon is equals to strain, and here value of E is Young's modulus. Therefore E is equals to sigma by epsilon, and it is Young's modulus. In a stress strain diagram, this diagram for a stress strain, so it is linear elastic material and the point is called limit of proportionality, and E is the slope of a stress strain diagram. The Young's modulus is the slope for a stress strain diagram. Young's modulus is the slope of a stress strain diagram. Now, for SI unit of Young's modulus, or we can say unit of Young's modulus, that is unit of E is sigma by epsilon, and sigma is equals to Newton per meter square and epsilon is unitless. Therefore, unit of E is Newton per meter square, that is same as that of a stress. Its unit is equals to unit of a stress, that is Newton per meter square. Now, for details, we take two materials and having different Young's modulus. For material A, Young's modulus is E1, and for material B, Young's modulus value is E2. And we draw a diagram. So here E1 is Young's modulus for material A and E2 is Young's modulus for material B. Now draw a diagram, that is a stress versus a strain diagram, and in both material the Young's modulus of A is greater than the Young's modulus of B. We can say E1 greater than E2. Now we draw a stress strain diagram. So this two lines for material A and material B. Here E1 greater than E2. So for Young's modulus E1 and E2, the slope, and we take a point, a stress, and draw a line and projected from epsilon. So the value of epsilon will be different for both material, and the stress for material is same. The graph showing the stress for both material is same. We take a value of a stress, and the stress for both material is same. Let us take off a value of a stress sigma 1 at any point and draw a horizontal line from that point. In case of the strain for material A and B will be different. That is E1 is equals to a strain in A at sigma 1 stress. A strain in A at sigma 1 stress, and epsilon 2 is equals to a strain in B at sigma 1 stress. So here stress is same for both material. A stress is same for both material. Now stress is equals to, that is sigma equals to P by A. If take area of both material same, that is if A equals to AB equals to A, then sigma equals to sigma A equals to sigma B, and it is equals to P by A. Here a strain is different. Epsilon 2 greater than epsilon 1. The value of a strain is the value of a strain for body 2, that is body B, is greater than the value of a strain of body A. Epsilon 1, epsilon 2 is greater than epsilon 1. So this diagram says about if Young's modulus for any material is more, then it gives less strain when applying load. You can see in graph, if Young's modulus for any material is more, then it gives less strain when applying load. That is, if value of Young's modulus for any material is more, then its rigidity will be more. The Young's modulus more for any material, it means the rigidity of materials will be more, and we can say the tendency of material for rigid, it will be more, and the tendency of material to become more rigid, and it is indicate about the stiffness of material. If the rigidity will be more, then its stiffness will be more. We can say the material is stiff. So Young's modulus says about if Young's modulus for any material will be more, then it gives less strain, and it gives less strain. Why? Because its rigidity is more, and that is why its stiffness of material is more. So Young's modulus is a measure of a stiffness. Now sigma equals to E epsilon. So sigma equals to P by A is equals to E into del L by L, or E equals to P by A into L by del L. If del L is equals to L, then equation will be E equals to P by A, and it is equals to sigma. E equals to P by A, and it is equals to sigma. It means Young's modulus is the value of stress which can double the length of the member or material. E equals to P by A equals to sigma. It means Young's modulus is the value of a stress which can double the length of the member. So these are the all abouts for Young's modulus, and today's topic is over. Thanks for watching.